Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Network Plus course. Today, we're going to explore the critical role that organizational processes and procedures play in networking. Let's begin by understanding the difference between physical and logical diagrams. Physical diagrams represent the tangible aspects of the network. They show the actual hardware components, like routers, switches, servers, and cabling, and how they're physically connected. On the other hand, logical diagrams focus on how data flows within the network. They illustrate the logical relationships and paths between devices, such as subnets, VLANs, routing protocols, and network topologies. Logical diagrams are crucial for understanding how information moves through the network, which is invaluable for troubleshooting and optimizing performance. Moving on, let's talk about rack diagrams. These are detailed drawings that show the placement of equipment within network racks. Each device, such as servers, switches, and patch panels, is represented in its exact position, often including information about rack units, use spaces, device models, and cabling connections. Rack diagrams serve several purposes. They help maintain an organized physical environment, making it easier to locate and access equipment. They're useful for planning upgrades or expansions, ensuring there's adequate space and power capacity, and they facilitate quick identification of devices during maintenance or in response to issues. Now let's discuss cable maps and diagrams. These documents detail the physical cabling infrastructure of the network, showing how cables run through the building, connect different devices, and the types of cables used. The key benefits include simplified troubleshooting. When a connection issue arises, technicians can quickly refer to the cable map to trace and test the affected cable. An asset inventory is a detailed record of all network assets, including hardware and software components. This inventory typically includes device details like model numbers, serial numbers, purchase dates, and warranty information. Software licenses, versions, expiration dates, and compliance status. Location information, and configuration data such as current settings, firmware versions, and custom configurations. Maintaining an accurate asset inventory helps organizations manage the life cycle of their equipment by planning for upgrades, replacements, and disposals. Now, let's delve into IP address management, or IPAM. IPAM involves tracking and managing the IP addressing scheme within a network. Key functions of IPAM include IP allocation, conflict prevention, avoiding duplicate IP assignments that can cause network disruptions, organizing the network into subnets for efficiency and security, and integration with DNS and DHCP, ensuring seamless operation between IP addresses, domain names, and dynamic host configurations. Lastly, let's discuss wireless surveys and heat maps. These are visual representations of wireless signal strength and coverage within a physical space. A wireless survey involves measuring and recording signal strengths at various locations. The data collected is then used to create a heat map, which displays areas of strong and weak signal coverage using color gradients. In conclusion, organizational processes and procedures like documentation play a pivotal role in network management. They provide the necessary information for efficient operation, troubleshooting, security, and planning. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.